Welcome from all corners of Earth, even those from Mars, you are very much welcome. This is the hydro-metallurgical processes simplification by simulation using METSIM course. Now, my name is Hydromet. I have a background in chemical engineering. I specialize mainly in process design and simulation. Other areas of my specialization are in 3D modeling and in mineral processing. Now, basically, this course is meant to equip one with the basics of using METSIM, especially concerning the hydrometallurgical sector. Now we're going to kick off by the importance of using simulation, then move on to the basics of navigating METSIM, then we'll do mass balances and circuit construction again in METSIM. We'll then move on to the more complicated stuff whereby we'll be using controllers and then seeing how all the basics we would have managed to acquire to use those in the simulation of hydrometallurgical processes. Then we'll move on to perform economical feasibility studies. Now, this course is meant to cater for those who want to learn to use the simulation software in day-to-day hydrometallurgical processes. It's also meant to do away with manual processes of using pen and paper. We'll also utilize this to shorten time required for hydrometallurgical process optimization and feasibility studies also. Now, this course will be delivered using mainly video tutorials. We'll also make use of case studies and real projects so that we really get a hands-on approach on how to use METSIM in the hydrometallurgical industry. Now, we have 6 modules. The first module will look at the overview of simulation in hydrometallurgical processes. Then we'll get into METSIM itself, whereby we'll introduce how to navigate and all those the basic functions in METSIM. Then we'll go on to start designing the circuits and using controllers, and also we'll do basic mass balances in METSIM, particularly in the hydrometallurgical sector. Then we'll move on to the hydrometallurgical processes that are found in METSIM. We'll do a lot of examples on how to actually use METSIM to make life easier in the hydrometallurgical sector. We'll then venture into process economics for the hydrometallurgical circuits. This is meant to see whether or not our processes are actually feasible wherever we are. Then we'll do a slight recap, and then we'll summarize, and then we'll conclude our course. I thank you.